Why some people succeed online and others quit. Talent is not the reason most people fail online. Today, let's talk honestly about why some people succeed online while others quit. Hello, my name is Divine Corcio. I'm a Filipino entrepreneur helping Filipinos sell online in the US. This video is brought to you by Prep for You Services, The Follow Hub, Gawang Kame US, DCS Digital Consultancy and Services. People who succeed. Commit to one path. Accept discomfort. Ask for guidance. Stay consistent. People who quit. Jump from idea to idea. Compare too much. Avoid feedback. Expect fast results. This is not about intelligence. It's about decision making. If you failed before, it doesn't disqualify you. It prepares you. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe. If you're ready to stop guessing and start building properly, the link below is for you. Next week, I'll share some real talk about online work that no one likes to say. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.